Find it. That's your job. Go. Find it. She found the turkey nest that's been hiding. Go find the nest. It's empty. Go find it.
Not the egg. The other egg.
Gross. That's her finder's fee. We let her keep the first one. She brought a second one to the house. I just don't know where the nest is. One of our hens that jumps out and has a nest somewhere. We don't know where. Then we have our other hen that started sitting on a nest yesterday. So we've marked the count. Okay, you're distracting her.
Sorry.
Go away. So I was just hoping, just let her out. See where she goes. I have no idea. No idea where she goes. Emma and Sarah were getting the mail, and she showed up with the egg. So the other day the turkey got out and then disappeared. So I don't have a clue where it might be. She does though. She knows. It's been so dry. I don't know if our new willows are gonna make it. I hooked up a watering system today and I got everything watered, and so we have a plan to do that every night. But I don't know, it's been so dry. We're praying for rain. Part of me wondered if Sophie was able to get to the turkey nest. It's right here. This isn't electrified right now because our battery died in the solar charger. So as soon as we get some rain, I'm gonna move this netting so she is in the middle of the netting to deter from any predators getting through. But the ground's too hard. I cannot move the netting. I tried to move it a little bit the other day and it was just a joke. So it's just too hard. Where's this nest? Driving me crazy. The answer may not come tonight. We went through this a lot in Idaho. They would jump out and they would go have a nest. And Sophie is actually the one that would find it every time. So she's a valuable dog. Her health has been declining a little bit though lately. So I'm not sure how much longer she'll be with us. It was a couple weeks ago that I thought she was going to pass away that day. She just wasn't doing well. And so, but since then, she's perked back up and surprised us a little bit. So I'm grateful for that. But, I mean, if you've been watching us, you know that she had a tumor removed. And so she does have breast cancer. We weren't sure how long we'd have from that. So just keep telling the kids we'll love her till we can't. I'm afraid she just thinks we're on a walk together and she's not actually looking for the nest. I am so excited though. Ooh, I just walked through a spider web. Normally when I walk through the woods for the first time, I have a stick. Anyway, I'm really excited. Everywhere where I'm walking is going to be goat housing. So I'm really excited for that. We're getting close, getting the fencing up a little bit at a time, you know, money. So we're not putting anything on debt. And so it just takes a little bit longer, but it's worth it. Being debt free is totally worth it. We're not debt free. We have a mortgage and, you know, a couple car payments. Who doesn't? But we're grateful for the things we don't have to go into debt for. No nest over here. Hey, baby. I don't think the turkey would be over here. So we've got the netting, not the netting. We've got the goat fence all the way here to the neighbors. Then we just need to get fencing to go along to the road. So Sophie, come on. Come on. I'm not wearing the right boots. I'm going to get ticks. Welcome to life in Missouri. Hey, gorgeous. Hey. I didn't know you came back this far. I guess she does have her trails. That's fun. Do you ever say hi to the neighbors back here? We've wondered if she's got a bit of her eye is a little runny, so we've got to look into why. Maybe that's normal. Yeah, we've got it fenced all the way to the barn. Like I said, all the way to the back of the property. We'll get over there. Jonah has plans to run electric wire down the driveway side until we can afford to get more netting. Oh, baby. Oh, she's so pretty. So excited to be able to work with her. Maybe get her broken this year. Are you broken? I have no idea. I have no idea. I would bet it's somewhere behind the barn. Because they like really tall grasses to hide. And everything up front is kind of sparse because of the trees. So, but Sophie usually sticks pretty close to whoever's outside. So if the kids were getting the mail, and then she had 2 eggs, it just doesn't make sense. Anyway, I am so pleased with my garden. I've lost 1 casualty to a bug. Right there. My friend Rose explained to me what bug it was, that it's common, and I don't remember what it was. But it just looked like it wasn't getting enough water, and then it was just dead. So she explained it. I just don't remember. Oh, I wonder what's... I've got just a lot to learn when it comes to plants and gardening here in Missouri. It was right there. I did make a video for myself explaining what I had in the garden. So I just need to find that video and replant whatever got eaten. So there's still time, still have room in my garden, and it makes me happy. It absolutely makes me happy. Need to come out and trellis the beans and just lots of things, but I don't want to do it tonight because I just enjoy that first thing in the morning. It's invigorating to come out and be in a beautiful space that I've helped create. And so there's a lot of work still to do. A little bit at a time. That's all you can do. A little bit at a time. I could come out here and look at all the imperfections and all the things that aren't good and aren't perfect. But I think I'm going to choose to come out here and be thrilled with the new life. She's grounded, I told her. Grounded.
Why? She didn't find
She didn't find the nest.
So, you're grounded.